So now we'll discuss how we can design an AND gate and a NAND gate using a NOR gate. Okay, so before we perform this designing of AND gate and NAND gate using NOR gate, first let us quickly see a simple rules that we are going to utilize to perform this conversion. First one is the basic rule of Boolean algebra, which says the complement of a OR expression, it gives us this. The individual signal complemented and then they are ANDed together. The complement of a OR give us AND with the individual signals complemented. And the other rule is the double complement of a signal gives us the same signal as output. Okay. And another one is if we AND two signals, equal signals, it will give us the same signal as output. So these three rules will be used to perform this conversion of NOR gate into AND and NAND. Okay. So let us see. Now the AND gate gives us the output as A dot B, and the NAND gate, it is the same with a bubble in the complement, and the output is the complement version of the AND gate. Now we have to generate these two signals using NOR gate. Okay. Okay, so let us see how we can do that. First, let us use a NOR gate. Okay, and we give signal A and another equal signal A. We shorted input and we'll get output as A plus A whole complement, which is equal to A complement. Okay, the rules of Boolean algebra which I just wrote. Next, we will use another NOR gate and we'll give signal B, and we'll give the same signal as shorted input. It will be B or B whole complement, which is equal to B complement. Now we'll use a third NOR gate here, and we'll give these two signals as inputs. The output will be A complement or B complement. These two signals, this is A complement, this is B complement, so it will be A complement or B complement whole complement. So here the De Morgan's theorem comes into play, which says that X or Y whole complement to logic levels, this X complement and Y complement. Okay, so if we use the same rule here, it will be A double complement and B double complement. Now another rule of Boolean algebra says if we double complement a signal, we will get the same signal. So it will be A and B. So we got A and B here. Okay, we got the AND gate output here. Here we got the AND gate output. Now in order to convert it into a NAND gate, what we have to do is that we'll use another NOR gate. Okay, another NOR gate. This is A or A and B, and this will be A and B or A and B whole complement. Two signals, when they are same signals are ORed, will get the same. We just studied that. So here it will be the NAND gate output. Here we got NAND, here it is AND. So we converted the NOR gate, or we used the combination of NOR gates to generate both AND gate and NAND gate outputs. So in order to convert the AND into NAND, we just used another NOR gate and gave shorted AND inputs. Okay, so always you remember the basic rules of Boolean algebra. Okay, I have already posted a video related to that concept, the basic rules of Boolean algebra and other uh, important things associated with that. So you please check out that video, and then you should know how to alter the expression, how to modify the expression, so that you can easily implement that with the gate of your choice. Okay, so you have to modify the expression, you have to alter the expression by using the Boolean algebra rules, so that the expression is easily implemented using a particular gate, particular logic gate, be it a NAND gate or be it a NOR gate. Okay, so here we have designed both AND and NAND gates using a combination of NOR gates. Here we got AND gate output, here we got NAND gate output. Okay,